Hey guys, ITD here. So our topic for today is fix all Windows 10 issues. So here we just have to download this application called Fix My 10 at Major Geeks. Okay, so I already put the link in the description below. Don't worry. And just wait for it to download. Okay, I have to show in folder. Double click. Fix My 10 is for 64-bit and this is for 32-bit. Okay, I'll use 64-bit because I'm using 64-bit system. So right click, run as administrator, click yes, and there you have it. Here in the quick task, you can create restore point, fix a corrupted system file, repair component store, and in the file association fixer, you can almost all fix the corrupted files, folders, and here you can scan errors, and here in advanced repair, you can, just like what I've said, almost all fix the issues of Windows 10. Also internet and connections, system, there you have it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.